Dear friend, welcome to the channel. Today in interpretation of statute, we are starting a new series on the great demand by our law student, series in English. This is first video and we are capturing overview in this. Let us see what we are going to cover. Overview of interpretation of statute we are going to cover under two topics. First, what is interpretation of statutes? What are various rules for interpretation? Let us see one by one. Interpretation of statute we are covering under following questions to have complete clarity. We are going to see what is statute, what is interpretation, what it is, why it is needed, and who do interpretation. Statutes word came from British actually. In India we do not use term statute, instead we use law. Since most of the legislation in India came from British, we follow their most of the philosophy and interpretation of statutes as well. As you know, what is statute? Statute is basically a written will of the legislature. So who make law? Legislature, either central legislature or state legislature. They make law, and how they make law? They make it written, they enact it in written form. So statutes is nothing but it is written will of legislature. It may be in the form of act, rule, code, notification, regulation, etc. Then what is interpretation? So since law are made by regulatory authority or legislature but implemented by judiciary, and judiciary need to read them and understand them to implement, and many times they need explanation. Some of the act need certain explanation to bring the intent of the legislator written in the form of word, and that process is called interpretation. Why it is needed? Because many times what happen, for example, if sometime you write some words and you ask somebody else to read, they may intend different meaning. However, idea for writing anything that anybody who read will get the same intention. So here also, when law are in written form and it is read by judiciary, sometime when they are not able to understand intention of the word, interpretation is required. So that is how it is needed by implementing in the court particular act or law or regulation. Who do interpretation? As we discussed, the role of interpretation is mainly judges or court or judiciary. Lawyer and advocates support in interpretation, but ultimate responsibility of interpretation remain with the judiciary only. So now I'm sure you are clear of what is interpretation of statute. Let us go to the next point. What are various rules of interpretation? So in the screen you can see the table chart. Uh, all the rules are divided into three broad category: primary rules, secondary rules, and third is other or miscellaneous rule. In some of the book of law, interpretation of statutes is divided into two category: primary rules and secondary rule, and somewhere in three. For the convenience we have categorized here in three part. However, in exam you can write two or three, whatever you like. Let us go next part. Primary rules are four rules mainly. These are very important rule, and here simply we are seeing the overview. We are not going to explain any rule in this video. Subsequently we are making video on explanation of each and every rule with related case laws also. In primary rule there are four rule: literal rule number 1, mischief rule number 2, golden rule number 3, and fourth rule is harmonious construction rule. In secondary rule category, there are two main rule: Noscitur-a-sociis and adjustum generis. However, two more rules are covered under secondary rule, and these are Latin maxims actually. Utrus magis valeat comparit, expresso unius ist exclusio alterius. As we told before, we are not going to explain in this, we will be subsequently covering. And the third category is other or miscellaneous rule. Here also all are legal maxims, Latin maxims in form of rule. First is expresso facit cesare tacitum. Second is redendo singlia singlis. Third is constructions contemporaria expositio ist fortissimo legi. And fourth last is generalia specialibus non derogant. So now in this overview, I'm sure you might have understood what is the complete overview of the interpretation of statute and various rule under it. In subsequent video, we will be making one by one detailed video on them. You can refer these. Thank you very much for watching this video till end. I am sure you must have got better knowledge and your doubts might have clarified about the topic. Through this channel, it is our efforts in a very small way to create learning and awareness on law topics, as we believe that knowledge makes us empowered to become better citizens. If you have any doubt, please mark in comment box. I will be happy to reply. Please subscribe, like and share this video to others to get them be benefited. Thank you very much.